5 seconds to send an open document. If you're in Word, Excel or PowerPoint, you can send the document you're working on in just 3 clicks. No need to leave the program to call up your email application. No need to scour your file system to find the right file to attach. In your open document, just select File, then Save and Send, and lastly, Send using email, with the Send as Attachment option. Do not choose Send as Internet Fax, no matter how tempting this may look. If your messaging system account is properly configured, a new email will automatically open with the document already attached. All that's left is to enter the recipient's address to the format faxnumber@faxbis.com, or else select a contact whose fax number has been recorded as an alternative email address using this same format. Please send. You will find the email containing your fax in your sent box and the transmission report in your inbox. An archive of this fax will also be available on faxbis.com. We claimed 5 seconds, here's the demonstration. In your document, select File,
Save as Send, Send as Attachment. Enter the recipient. Send.
FAXBIS makes everything so much simpler.